Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how to change email in Grindr app. First of all, make sure you have already installed and created your account in Grindr app. Let's get started. Open your Grindr app. On the top right, you can see the profile. Here on the bottom of the page, you can see setting. Click on it. And in the account section, you can see the email. Now you need to enter your new email address and your current password. And by clicking on change email, you can change your email. This is how you can change your email in Grindr app. Thank you for watching.